Hello, in this video we talk about what is WordPress. There is two type of WordPress, and one is the WordPress.com and the second is WordPress.org. Now we talk about what is WordPress. So WordPress is a content management system where you can create any type of blogs, website like LMS. LMS mean learning management system, or the education website, forms, and membership portal, membership website, donation websites, e-commerce stores like affiliate marketing, otherwise, etc. And there is two type. WordPress.com, it is free but very limited. In free version it is very limited, and in free version you does not have install any plugin. And the second is WordPress.org or main target. Or main target is WordPress.org. It is totally free, but for this you have to choose hosting and to purchase a domain. So WordPress.org is free to download, but to run you must purchase your domain name and server hosting. Above 43% of world website is using WordPress website. So first we have create free account on WordPress.com, and then we have download the WordPress.org. So go to the Google and write down WordPress.com and see the WordPress.com fast secure. Click on it. I have already created an account, so first I have tried to and another email to create another account on WordPress.com in a free account. So click on start your website or click on get started. If you have already an account, so click on login. So first I try to start your website. So I have put my email NW circle, username normally, and create password. Sorry, ask for suggest password, create suggest strong password. So click on strong password and then create your account. My email is already exists, so I click on login because I have already created my accounts. So I try to log in. So create with no thanks. Continue with Google. And click my website email address nomadicafridi@gmail.com. Login. Connect. So choose a domain. So from here I choose a domain, and testing WP. It is testingwp.com. So it is recommended by WordPress.com, but we have tried to in free. So here it is right free, testingwp.wordpress.com. So select this free website. The WordPress.com is free, but it also offer per month basis, per subscription basis. So we have tried to free. From here, start with a free site. So start with a free site. So what are your goals? So you can skip this to dashboard and you choose this. So in this time we have skipped to dashboard. From here click on visit to site, and it is your WordPress.com dashboard, and there is no option to edit any plugin. So from here you click on plugin. So from here we click on plugin, and plugin you need to get your project done. So upgrade to the business plan to install plugin. If you have not to upgrade to the business plan, so you have don't permission to install the free plugin. So from here my site, from here we click on to visit our website. It is our free website, and it is such your it is our website URL, and from here so it is our website URL, and our website is look like that. And from here you can write your post and your pages. From here you can write your posts, and from here you can publish it. So it is a simple dashboard of your WordPress.com. So in this video we talk about WordPress.com, and in another video we have to download WordPress.org and to install it on our local server on our local PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video.